Network Entertainment.
Welcome to another episode of Ikaw Pala Yun. This one, eto, sobra exciting na to.
Super excited ako for this.
Nag-aabang tayo ng, we actually tried to plan this over a month ago, but schedules and all that. So finally, we have them with us. Yes. You go to any of the major concerts, major, shows. These are the guys directing. Behind the scenes, sila yan. Making the show you watch is fantastic, beautiful. But syempre, hindi mo alam ano ginagawa nila sa likod. Kasi pinapanood mo yung artist, yung singer, di ba?
Ano ba ginagawa ng direktor?
Malalaman natin. Welcome to Ikaw Pala Yun, of course, our Go Live Asia primetime directors, Pao Valenciano and Nico Faustino. Papis, welcome to the pod.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you for having us.
Paps, ang daming tanong. Of course, huwag natin simulan sa Rico Blanco issue, no?
Wow!
Hindi, kasi baka mag-fifth gear agad tayo eh.
Oh my God!
Pwede ba first gear muna? Jeff, okay lang ba pare? First gear muna?
Kinakabahan na lahat ng
O reverse
tao
tayo,
dito.
reverse ulit.
O, reverse.
Welcome to...
Balik tayo.
Fifth gear agad eh, no? Di nag-minor
Para
eh, no?
tapos na. Yun talaga yung gusto mo malaman eh. Yun
Kaya,
talaga
kaya
eh.
lang namin kayo in-invite eh. Para
Para lang
lang.
doon, alam ko.
Pero
Okay.
balik natin. Rewind ng konti.
Okay.
Let's start from the very beginning. So you guys are, of course, powerhouse directors. Can we find out about the first ever director gigs that you each got?
Sorry, before they answer, si Pao kasi I knew him from Salamin,
Oo nga naman.
the band.
Yes.
Kaya nagulat ako when he started directing.
Actually,
So,
na-shock din ako.
diba? So yeah, let's talk about...
Lalim naman ang toolkit nito ni Sir.
Oh, of course, not to discount the fact that you're, the son of Gary V, a very talented performer. Pero I'm sure for every son or kid, ayaw mo rin naman na, anak lang kasi niya na yan eh. Diba?
Yeah.
Correct me if I'm wrong, diba? Ayaw mo lang masabi na, hindi kasi anak lang ni ganyan niya, kaya...
Bilang
diba?
usong-uso ang term na Nepo baby.
Correct, diba? So yeah.
I started out as a performer, but I think everyone is aware naman. For example, if you're in a rock band, underground scene, you can't survive with that as your main source of income. Kasi like everyone knows this na it's a struggle talaga to be a musician. Even some of the mainstream musicians hirap sila here
I
in
heard.
this country, no. So at one point I needed to find a job after college, and I got into offline editing. So I was editing commercials.
How did you know na kaya mo yun?
My dad taught me.
How to edit?
Yeah. And so when
How random.
I know, because
Yeah,
my dad
dude.
likes to edit videos also.
Okay.
He likes to edit. So yung mga concerts niya, he would edit a lot of those videos, and then he taught me how to edit, and I ended up editing a lot of videos for his concerts. And then so after college I started doing that, and then after a while I was getting burnt out because video editing is
Tapat sa
a
screen
lot
yan,
of work.
pare.
Yeah, it's a lot of work, and you're in a
Maduro.
room for at that time wala pang iMovie nun. So I would be editing for 20 hours straight, 24 hours straight.
Can I just say, nobody knows this about me. Naging editor din ako ng ABS.
Really?
After
Wow, how long?
Remember
How
they...
long? Anong show?
No. Remember they launched their cartoon channel, Hero?
Yes.
Oh,
yeah.
yes!
Oh,
Nag-edit ka for that?
Lahat ng commercials.
Ikaw pala yun!
Wow.
So I know exactly what you're talking
Anong
about.
version para lang namin yan?
Di ba, mamahal
Seven
yung
yan,
music,
Final Cut
rewind,
7.
that little ball, rewind, play,
Yeah.
rewind, play. First time pala sinabi to kahit kanino.
Ito
Pati
yung
asa-
mga
pati
side
asawa ko,
quest
hindi- pati asawa ko hindi alam to.
How long did you do that for?
8 months.
Wow. Nico's also started out
Yeah.
in film, yeah, but ayun, so edit Nico took up film school, diba?
Film school, yeah.
Film
I did
school, and I
in
was
Cebu and here in Binild.
ayun. So I was in Maine, LaSalle, Maine, and then I would edit for edited videos for my thesis, for I was in Philippine Mass Media. And then one day,
Media ka pala?
mass
Nag-mass media din ako eh.
Ah, talaga?
Sa Kalawit
Ayun.
na Binild.
We have so much in common pala.
Sa Miguel Building.
Miguel.
Yeah.
Mga lasalistan to. Kala ko. Ha? Oh.
So, ayun. And then,
Ako lang yung blue-blooded dito.
Ano ba?
Blue bubble yan. Pakita mo sa Blue Eagle spelling.
Halikin! Hindi, pare, may nag-Blue Eagle spelling ako sa Araneta dati, pucha, sobrang kabado ko first time. Mali yung na-spell ko. But
Ganda.
we'll get to
Ganda.
that in another episode.
typical Atenean talaga.
Wow! Thank you. Pare, thank you for watching this episode. We'll see you next time.
So, ayun. So, parang after a while, I started editing videos for corporate shows. That was my first exposure to mga corporate events. And then one day, we had an event na nawalan ng director. And they asked me, since I was doing the AVPs, they were like, do you want to direct the show? Because we need a director. And I
Do you still remember the client? Who this?
Yes, it was a food, basta food
Okay,
siya.
okay.
Food brand siya. And then, sabi ko, I'm sorry, I don't direct. I only like doing videos. And they were like, are you sure? Kasi, we have a budget of this for the director.
Oh, yan
Tapos
na.
sabi ko,
Okay.
what time do you need me there?
Ganyan talaga.
Bro, ganun talaga. I was
Ano
like,
tayo magagawa? What time
what
do you
time
need me? I'll be there 2 hours before.
What year was this?
This was 2006, I think. Seven. I just got out of college. 2007.
Magta 20 years ka na next year.
If we count that, yeah.
If we count that, yeah.
that, yeah.
No. Sorry. 2009. So I'm
2009.
about 17 years. 2009.
So tell us about how did that go?
It was good.
Talaga?
It was really
Well.
good. In fact, I was working with Stages at that time, the management company of sila Sam Concepcion. And after that event, they were telling me that you should really
May chance ka, ganun?
take this into consideration. I mean, think about this line of
Something
work.
you can do.
And then later that month, I hung out with Jericho Rosales, and we were talking about something, and I was like, oh yeah, and then Echo was asking me, what did you do last week? I was like, oh no, I was directing this event for Sisu. That's the name of the company. And then sabi niya, oh, you're directing events na pala.
Okay.
I have a show next month. Can you direct that show? And I was like, bro, I'm not a director.
Sorry, backtrack lang ako. You were editing videos. Sino nagturo sa'yo like how to press the buttons and stuff like that for the first directing gig?
No, live, live.
Oh, nga,
event
live.
siya.
Oh, so-
okay, so later on, we're gonna
okay.
explain the
The
difference between
difference.
Nico
Yeah.
and between what
Okay.
I
There's
do.
a difference.
There's a
Kaya
difference.
gusto ko to.
Okay.
Directing
Okay.
101.
Kaya kami team.
Okay,
Okay. Sige.
So itong event na ginawa ko had no live feed component, meaning there were no cameras.
Uh-huh.
So it was just the stage. It
Okay.
was just an LED screen for the
Whatever's
the
happening.
videos
Oh.
and everything. So that's what I do. I direct the stage.
What's happening live on stage?
What's happening live on stage. Nico is directing everything that you see on screen.
On the
Meaning
LED
how
wall.
the cameras
Yes.
go, how the cameras move, what he's showing. And then the way we collaborate is I'll tell him na for this one segment, maybe you can put the camera here, maybe they can move here so that maganda siya on screen. Then sometimes he'll tell me, I need you to move your performers here kasi mas maganda yung angle ko
Doon sa
from this
kabila.
area.
Yeah.
So that's how we work together.
I love it.
Yes.
I love
So
it.
that's the difference between. So sometimes, people will get mad at me because of him.
Bakit?
Kasi bakit
Vice
hindi
versa.
lumabas?
Or vice versa.
I kinda
Kasi
get it. I
they'll be
kinda
like,
get
ba't
it.
ganyan yung
Oh.
camera shots?
Hindi ko
Siyempre, hindi ko naman sasabihin na.
Online kasi.
Camera shots eh.
I remember this. May
Yeah.
fandom na yeah, I remember that.
Or then
Remember
sometimes
that. Yeah.
they'll be like, pangit naman ng blocking. But they won't get mad at him.
Correct.
It's always
siya
me.
naman lagi
They'll always get mad at me. But ayun, so sorry. Going back, and then Echo, and then Echo.
May
made me
show
direct the
siya, oh.
And then my dad found out na, oh, you're directing pala Echo's concert.
Hindi mo lang sinabi sa tatay mo,
I
inuno pa si
didn't, I
Echo.
didn't, I
So,
didn't.
umuo ka.
Tao to.
Umuo ka kay Echo eventually.
He forced me to do it.
Okay.
And then,
Malaki bayad?
hindi. But I love
Kaya
him eh.
Kaya nga forced eh. Kung may bayad, di mo forced
Tama.
eh.
Oo, Echo ha, Paps ha. Alam namin mayaman ka, pero yung budget mo pare ha. Oh.
And then my dad found out. Ayun, my dad found out na, oh, you're directing pala Echo's concert. Then he watched it and he was like, I want you to direct my Music Museum.
Oh my God.
And then I was like, yeah, but I was just helping Echo.
Yeah. This is not my thing.
It's not my thing.
Yeah.
You help a friend, you better help your father.
Of course.
That
Sa Bible
I
yan.
think he said something like
Along
that.
those lines.
Yeah. And then ayun, after I did my dad's show, which was 10 shows in Music Museum, ayun na. People started calling me up na kasi artists would watch it.
Of course.
And then they'd be like, who directed this? Paolo Valenciano. And then Tony Gonzaga saw one of those shows, called me up. Can you direct my show? And then Sarah, I forgot who from Sarah's team saw Tony's show. And then ganon, parang people would see the shows and then be like, oh, I want this guy to do my show.
Would you say that your dad gave you the break? Because of him, dun talaga dumami.
My dad gave me the training
Okay.
because I watched all his shows.
Mhm.
So like what I did in Echoes was I was like, okay, this is what I remember seeing my dad do.
Let me apply it here.
Let me apply it here.
Okay.
I think it was really Echo
That gave you the first break.
that gave me the first break, yeah.
With a
Okay.
cute TF.
So we'll once again, Echo, we're gonna excuse the mini TF because nag-fly naman yung career, no? Good friend natin yan. Nico, let's get to you.
Yeah.
Let's talk about the first directing gig. Like, how did you even end up there?
First directing gig. Okay, the first one was TV.
TV.
Kasi may
Okay.
TV director talaga ako.
Okay.
So, galing ng TV, the first one was a reality show.
Which was?
Biggest Loser.
Okay.
I'm not the main director. I was a segment director for that one. So, I was helping out all the either the segments or the hosting. mga ganyan,
Sino
hosting.
main nun?
Ang main nun si Derek Ramsey. Nung time na yun.
Siya yung main...
Siya yung main host. Ay, yung
Director, oh. Kala ko
Direct
direct
Ramsey.
Sorry.
Kala ko direct Ramsey na siya eh. Oh.
It was
Di mo
John
naman-
Moll. John Moll,
Okay,
yeah.
okay.
It was a ABS director.
Uh-huh.
So
And
siya
then,
yung main nun.
ko
And
assist.
then ako yung nag-assist nun. So doon nagsimula yun. And then in terms of live, the first one was when we first worked together on this one. Mr. Miss Chinatown.
That was your first live?
That was my first live.
Wait, sorry. Sorry,
the
pare.
first time?
Babacktrack ako ah. How long were you doing TV before you did the
Did
Miss
live.
Chinatown?
When was Miss Chinatown?
That was
2014?
2016.
2016 ba yun?
Yeah.
So, before that,
2016,
gaano katagal yung
5
TV?
years.
5 years of TV.
Yeah, but I was trained by before that I was going a segment na for Direk Roel Santiago.
Okay.
So medyo may training na ako nun.
Correct.
And then because
Like
live
Roel
yeah.
Santiago, who is like one of our, GOAT yan.
Correct,
Yes.
correct.
Yeah.
Pero, what did you take up in college?
Film. I took up film. I took up Philippine Mass Media first in LaSalle and then nag-film ako.
And then out of college, diretso na TV.
Diretso na, the day after, diretso na ako ABS because I messaged uncle of mine, Rayleigh Santiago, kapatid ni Tito Randy Santiago. So, kapatid ni Tito Roel, the Santiagos. So I messaged I'm done na with college.
Pwede bang medyo
Pwede ba ako
sumamting dyan?
Tapos
Baka
sabi ko,
may-
sige, punta ka dito. Then, tomorrow, punta ka dito. Pag punta ko doon, diretso na set.
Okay.
Yeah, then I work na.
The
Yun na
day
yun.
after.
Yeah. Hindi pa ako graduate nun kasi day after school pa lang. Graduation is like 2 months after pa eh.
So, first live event was with Paul Reddy.
Yeah.
Paano ka
Grabe, no?
Paano? Wait,
Not
sorry,
know.
sorry.
You never told me
You'll
that. ah.
And you'll never forget your first. Diba?
Who was your first?
Hindi,
Sam?
siyempre pa. Like yung unang minomol mo, di ba? Hindi mo naman sabihin sa kanya na, uy, by the way, first ko to.
Siyempre naman,
Siyempre, lalaki.
nakakaya.
Lalaki ka eh, di ba?
Siyempre ikaw parang,
Oo,
di ba?
Mga pang-third ka na girl, ha? Kasi tapos hindi mo alam kailan lalabas dila mo, di ba? Mumomol lang ka.
Paano tayo napunta dito?
Sorry, back to you, Nico. Back to you.
Okay.
Diba? Okay. So, you didn't tell anyone it was your first.
No, I didn't. I was so scared,
Pero
I was
sorry,
so
wala.
scared.
I have to talk to those producers. I didn't know that they put me with a first timer.
Happy.
Wala
Okay.
problema. Wala nang problema.
How big was the adjustment from
I know, I just
directing TV to directing a live
Teka.
event?
Sa bagay, first time ko yun mag-pageant.
Pageant,
So,
oo.
Langiyatong dalawan to.
Hindi nila alam, di ba?
By the way, first momol kita. Ako rin. Teka lang. Before you answer Tin's question, so how did you get that gig? Kasi
Because
TV, you're known for TV.
No, because TV producers or TV production managers were also doing that one. And then marami na akong ginagawang show noong time na yun for television.
Tapos nireko ka.
Yeah. Sabi, sumama ka na sa amin. Ganyan.
Walang kaba
Meron.
ng first live.
Sobra kasi,
No room
I
for
think
error.
that was
Pag
the
TV
first.
kasi diba may take two diba?
Pag TV kasi, parang, well, depend. I was doing at least 5 cameras the most, or 6 that time. And for the first, I was doing 9.
Jeez.
And then first time ko rin mag-pageant nun.
Pareho
So,
ka, apparently.
it's more, hindi rin alam yun, no? Siguro wala may alam, diba?
Dang, I didn't know that. Wow. And they happen to be our longest, my longest clients.
Yeah.
Until
Yeah,
now,
until
yeah.
now, diba? We did that with their
Yeah,
spa a month ago.
Yeah.
Yeah, so, yeah. Ilang years na namin silang kliyente.
Ang mga natuwa naman sila sa inyo.
Ako nga naman, 10 years na. 10 years na natin silang kliyente. So, yeah.
Let's get to Tin's question. We also want to know about that. Yung how different is
TV directing from live event directing.
Oh, TV directing kasi, okay, when I do TV, there's a couple of things. I do sitcoms, talk shows, and all those stuff. Sometimes it's live, sometimes it's not. I also did news for a while, morning show, and whatever. Ang difference nun is TV, you can do it again.
take two.
Take two. Pag live, there's no take two. That's it. Especially pag 1-day show siya. Happy kami pag 2 days or 3 days. Kasi,
Pwede ka bumawi.
bago tayo tomorrow, di ba? Pero, pag TV yun na yun. Unless live siya, for television, okay lang. Kasi ganun din. Same ano siya. Same thing siya. Pero, ang difference also for TV and live events, audience. Yung energy ng audience. That's iba yun.
A very
Yung
big
iba.
thing.
Yeah.
So after Miss Chinatown, sabi mo, teka, parang gusto ka tong live. May ganon kang feeling.
Yes.
Tapos, when was the next gig?
Next one was, I think the week after that.
Meron agad?
Yeah.
Damn, okay.
I think that was Mr. Gay World.
Are you?
Yeah.
Oh, wow!
So wait, nag-Miss Chinatown ka. Tapos
First pageant ever and first live ever.
Yeah, that's the next
Tapos
one.
fuck, Miss
The week
Gay,
after,
Mr. Gay Town.
World. Yeah.
What a career, brother!
What an ascent!
What an ascent!
Kaya talaga sabi ko, wow. Okay.
That escalated quick.
Kayong dalawa ba ulit yun?
Yeah, that was me lang. So,
Teka lang, tinanggap mo.
Siyempre.
Siyempre!
Bayad eh.
Malaki budget!
Game tayo. Sabi
Malaki
ko,
budget!
okay, game tayo dyan. Sabi
Mr.
ko.
Gay World, let's go! Let's fucking go!
So, yun
Okay,
yun.
sorry, we cannot talk about that, pare. Okay, what happened there? Ikaw lang nun, o...
Hindi, ako lang yun. I did both stage and
Because you do
television.
both eh, diba?
I did
Oh, you do both.
But it's like TV. TV is doing stage and television. Yun yung mainly ang ano nun. So, I did that. It was weird for me kasi I was, just edit this out. I was rehearsing kami, and then may mga couple of guys saying, Trisa mamaya. Trisa mamaya. Kasi may mga ganun.
Okay.
I'm like, what is happening?
Niyaya ka,
Why are they
hindi
asking
naman.
for a threesome?
Okay. Niyaya ka.
Oo.
Oh, niyaya ka.
You never
Yeah.
made me go into this part.
Pare, teka lang, wala pa tayong 10 minutes. Ang dami ng...
So may ganun, may ganun.
wow!
Oo.
Niyaya ka ng threesome nung kliyente?
No,
no, contestants.
These are good-looking man
like,
na
Oh,
straight.
Mr. Gay World!
Borta kind of guys. Like the King Dingalings.
Oh!
Ito yung malalaki yung bird eh.
Kamit sila nung panahong ito.
Bago. Bahala kayo. Ako, alam ko.
Shock talaga ako. I was like, oh, okay.
At sabi mo,
Wait.
Wala, di ako
kasi wala ka.
Wala.
Tanong ako dyan, pare.
Wala ako narinig ko yan. I was like,
Malaki
Wala
budget.
ka
Malaki, tatanong sana malaki budget.
Hindi, malaki ba? Malaki budget.
Malaki budget. Oh, sige, game. Pwede na to.
Pwede tayo dyan. Extra budget.
My God.
So that was kasi coming from that pageant na yung Chinatown,
Yeah,
of course,
right.
girls and guys yun eh. So, biglang bikini na lalaki. Good-looking guys. So it was okay lang naman. It's fine. I guess ang nahihirapan doon
Akala mo bigyan ng close-ups.
kaya biglang close-up. Ang nahihirapan doon yung mga cameraman. Kasi
Kasi
also
di mo
camera
tutok
owners.
sa birdie,
Oo,
di ba?
di ba? Sa birdie. So they focus most of the time. Kasi, ewan ko, hindi ko alam. Hindi lang na-feel.
I'm so lost. I don't even... I had a follow-up question. I lost it. Shit.
So kailangan ko ganun hagurin dyan dito. Hanggang ganun yan.
I lost my follow-up
Yeah.
question.
So I did that. Yun yung afternoon. Then afternoon is pageant.
Did you enjoy it? I mean, not I mean, enjoy. No, did you say at that point na shit, I think I enjoy this?
Yeah, because it what? The
You
gay
know, the
world?
live,
Or
the live.
Live directing.
Balit, okay, iwan na natin parang yung...
Okay, sige.
Gets ko na.
Not the threesome
Yeah.
direct.
So the live directing, yes, I did. It's what I like about the live is energy talaga niya.
Okay.
Yung energy niya, and it feels like parang feeling mo superhero ka. Kasi lahat control mo on cue eh. Pag pitik mong ganun, gumagalaw eh.
Okay.
Can
So,
you
yun yung
describe the
feeling ko.
high of it?
The high,
I'm
oof.
sure there is a crazy high.
Yes. Okay. Kwento ko lang. Ganito kami ni Paolo. Before the show, kahit magkatabi kami, hindi kami mag-uusap. As in, tulala kami. Ganyan kami. Most of
Because
the time,
what goes on in your head? Bakit tulala?
for me, ang sa akin is, yung expectation namin, for us, kasi pinag-isipan namin yun eh. Pinag-isipan ng buong team. Everybody, actually. Everybody in that, ano. So, gusto namin, kasi one-time show lang siya.
Correct.
Diba?
No room for error.
Yeah, no room. So, we wanted to give what we envisioned to the people. So, kinakabahan kami, lagi. Di kami mag-uusap, magkatabi kami, di kami mag-uusap. As in, wala. Pero the moment na 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, biglang ibang tao na. Biglang suddenly, alam na namin yung ginagawa. Alam yung lahat,
Switch on.
switch on siya. And that's the high of, and the instant, pag may ginawa ka, let's say for me, on my end, let's say the drone shot. Yung drone shot na everyone knows already na pag nag-drone yung live yon, they scream. Pagka they scream, and that feels really, really good na.
Sarap
Ganun.
na.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go
So,
back to the Momol analogy.
Okay.
Bago
Go
mag-Momol,
back to it.
tahimik muna kayo. Diba? Tatantsahan muna kayo, diba? Let's go! Pao, what goes on in your mind, man? So there's dead silence. You're probably staring at the wall. Or do you listen to music? What
This
happens
is something
here?
I always mention to the when I do I do workshops for beginners and for professionals. I always tell them about that feeling where live events, concerts, it has a tendency to parang in the entire during that entire process, it kind of breaks you apart and then puts you back together. But
Sorry, you have to
What is the breaking
explain
apart
that. Yeah,
now?
you have to explain that to me, man.
it can destroy you mentally, emotionally, physically sometimes, because pag naglalagari kami, you really feel nagkakasakit na kami and all that, which we're not saying that's
Condoning it.
we're not supporting that lifestyle, no, but
But we're okay na
sometimes it
lagari.
does
We're okay na
happen,
lagari. We're okay naman.
Sometimes it does happen. But the thing with live events kasi is it's such a communal and human experience. For me, to the highest level. Kasi what do I mean by that, no? Parang of course, when we're doing when we're in the process of putting everything together, meaning the rehearsals, the pitching, selling the idea to the client, a lot of times a client or a artist or a production manager will tell us, your idea sucks. Obviously, I'm paraphrasing, no, but they're basically telling us, that sucks.
No go tayo dito.
We don't have money for this. I don't want to do this. Ang daming ganun eh, na you have this vision, this idea that you're trying to make happen. And I think the scariest part is there's no wrong or right answer eh. You know what I mean?
Correct.
It's all 100% subjective. All we got to do is to make sure that everyone, or at least 90% of the people in that venue, is happy. As compared to, for a doctor or an engineer, lives are at stake. So, you know exactly that the math needs to add up. Everything, there's a specific answer to the problems that they're trying to solve. Kami, there's no wrong or right answer. Yeah. It's always, let's try this and let's hope that people like it. And that's a different kind of pressure kasi, you don't know if you're doing the right thing or not eh. You know what I mean? You'll find out right when the show starts if tama ba tong ginagawa natin. And that eats us up all the time. Like right before the show starts, our producer spent 10 million, 20 million, 100 million on
alam
this
mong
show.
big ticket to, pare.
May ticket.
So
to
yung
these people
pressure to
paid.
perform yung dalawa, pare, binagsakan namin ng 20 million to, pucha, idea nyo to, ayusin nyo. Kung ito nag-flop, makakatingin kayo sa akin.
May ganon, yeah. And the singers, not to downplay what they're going through. It's also, that's a completely different challenge that they're going through. But if you think about it, they've already done most of the work. They wrote the songs, they released the music. People already like what they've put out. Kami, parang every time na we mount a show, it's parang we have to start from scratch. Like like we have to make sure that whatever we do, happy sila. And 'di ba, we have a reputation na to the public. That doesn't make it easier. Kasi now when we're working with a show that has a much smaller budget, people are still expecting to see
Same.
The same level.
the same
level.
level.
Naisip
And
yun,
that's
tama,
something
tama.
talaga that we have parang
Trouble with.
you feel it eh. You feel it physically na the pressure of having to deliver, of having to do a good show. When you have no budget, what do we do? And then you think na when you have a big budget, everything's better. No, when you have a big budget, you have people behind you like expecting
More.
more.
More of
Yeah. If this is their budget, they want this.
Correct.
And then lately,
You give your hand, they want the arm.
and then lately, syempre, the P-pop artists have been gaining global recognition na. So now, they want global
Production.
level production.
Depende ano ka.
With
Gusto mo yung
Pinoy
Kanye West
budget.
na Kanye West na tumatalbog sa, di ba, sa Globe, ganun.
Yeah, they want like that.
Oo.
Pero Pinoy budget tayo.
Pero 3 million, make it happen. Ganun, di ba?
Yeah.
No,
So
no,
that's something that the two of us feel. We feel it the most right before the show starts.
The 30 minutes before.
Yeah,
no?
right before the show starts.
I as a host, and I think Tin would be able to relate to this. I kind of get where you guys are coming from. Kasi sa amin, when they get us for a gig, automatic pag sinabi director si Nico o si Pao, ako parang okay. Para
Ito, minamic pa niya eh. Minamic pa. Hindi ko pala to. Ganun pa to, mic pa to.
then the relief always. I mean, you guys have seen me. When I see you guys, the first thing when I see you at the venue, I'm like, oh my God. Pero tama eh. Now it makes sense na even in my head, ina-expect ko, puta, Nico, alam ko na puta, solid to. Without knowing how much budget there was for that. Kahit na,
Na-pressure ako.
let's say that there was a Lazada gig that we did, diba?
Yeah, nagulat
Diba
siya.
na pasok ko si Nico, pare, ikaw pala, ganyan. So shit, okay. Tapos, I didn't realize na, I don't know how much the budget was, no? Pero, whenever it's them, ang ina-expect ko, na parang, pucha, Pao, tsaka Nico to. Prime time shit to. Without knowing, baka 2 million lang pala binudget. But you have to make it look prime time.
Exactly. I remember that Lazada. I remember
You have
that
to
one.
make a 2 million budget look like 20 million.
Yeah. Actually, you're going if you the next time we do a show together, whether it's with Nico or with me, if you see us in one corner, that's the 30-minute
Silence break.
That's the 30-minute silence
Yeah.
of us just doing all the calculations in our head. As a live director, we do that a lot. Like leading up to a show, the calculations in our head, it never stops. Kasi we're always like, is this the right thing? Is this the right direction? Is this the right solution to this problem? Kasi nga, there's no book that says this is where you go, this is what you do. It's all subjective, and that's a completely different kind of mental gymnastics that we have to go through leading up to every show.
But I think that's why you guys are where you're at. You know, you guys, it's an art form. Dealing with the pressure, making the pressure, something good, something amazing. But I think one by one, let's get to some of the toughest, or if you can recall, this was a very tough client or event. Ano nangyari? Let's start with you, Nico. Parang pucha, grabe to.
Again, we don't have to name names or
Yep.
name
I
No, but I feel like
Basta kwento.
when they watch it, alam na nila eh.
Bigyan mo kaming specifics.
Specific.
Umiyak ka ba
Okay.
nito? Nagmura ka ba nito?
There's a lot of technical issues because there's a lot of performers, and then we had to fit in a certain amount of how do you say that, rehearsal time, sound check time, and then show time. So everyone was cramped into one schedule. Like usually, performers would need 2 hours, 3 hours to sound check or to
Correct,
rehearse,
correct.
right? To fix their everything, to make sure they sound good. But because we had so much for the specific show, they had so many talent performers, we gave them 15 minutes each.
Sorry, was this a music festival? A corporate
It's like
gig?
a music festival
Okay,
ish,
sige, okay, okay.
for a specific brand.
Okay.
So yun, we had to
si
squeeze
Direk
in.
Got it.
Yeah, that's another, yeah.
Is that the
I
music
know.
festival?
We're gonna get to it.
Kulang 2 oras sa episode na.
So,
Okay.
so
I'll
ganun
go.
nangyari. So we squeeze in 15 minutes for each. And then
Di ba sila nagre-reklamo na, teka, soundcheck namin 1 oras
Um,
at 15 minutes.
yes, they were, but at the same time no, because of the client. Because
Okay.
who the client was.
Okay.
Masyado
Because
malaki
how
yung
much
clout
the TF
nung.
was.
Hindi, it's not even the TF. It's a
Not the
clout
TF.
of that client, of the brand.
Now I'm curious.
It was that. It was that. So, parang
So,
everyone
correct,
was okay, game.
correct me if I'm wrong, it was a good to be associated with
Yes,
this brand.
it's actually a really,
so,
really good.
sige,
ano.
kaya 15, let's make it work.
Yeah. So they did. Of course, may konting delay, but during the show, which we brought up already with the client, they said, "Hindi, okay lang yan." So nangyari dahil tuloy-tuloy sila, nagkakaroon ng technical issues, right? Nag-iiba yung tao, nag-iiba yung ganyan. And then we figured out, of course, after that, us being a team, and we had to talk about it. Na what happened? So ganoon naman kami. Pag may nangyaring ganyan, we talk about it and how do we fix it? How do we fix it? How do we fix it?
So it never happens again.
Never happens again. So ganun yung nangyari. So that was one of the most difficult ones because that time,
It was more of a time issue.
yeah, it was a time issue. It's client issue also because pinilit nila na ganun.
Do you tell them?
I did. I did tell them.
Parang masyadong, guys, 15 minutes is a bit tight for a band to set up.
Yeah, I told them that.
Oh.
I told them that. So ang sabi nila, actually to the point I said I can't do it anymore.
Oh wow.
But then one of the heads called me up and say, please do this. And I said, okay, sure, because it's you. I said that because it's you, I'll do it.
it's you.
But I'm telling you now, this is gonna be the problems for this one. Sinabi ko naman, nilatag naman namin lahat yun. So, ganun nilatag namin. But then again, sabi, no, we'll make it work. We trust you. I think that's the most difficult part kasi people expect from us is it's always gonna be a good show.
Of course.
Right? So,
Na-build nyo na yung mga pangalan
So,
nyo
parang-
eh. Even for me, sabi ko nga,
you also, pag nakita na, oh, Sam, okay na tayo. Di ba ganun ako eh? Di ba? Para sa amin,
I always say this, that as a performer, they trust you because they know you are the safest choice.
Yes.
They know that even if something goes wrong, you can handle it.
Yes. Kasi so ganun yung ano. And luckily, of course, also it's a double-edged sword na people trust you, right? Kasi sa amin, at least when the producer says, "Oh, ikaw na bahala." Alam mo na 'yan. Meaning, sa akin, that's a good thing also kasi yung gusto kong idea, magagawa ko. But also at the same time, pag sinabi mong hindi, ikaw na kaya mo na, I trust you. Pero hindi nga mag-work eh. Kaso ganun pa rin, pilit pa rin. So,
Buti sana kung lahat ng producer ganyan.
nga eh.
Para may kwento yan.
Nightmare producer. Sige.
I guess,
Hindi, actually yung sinasabi niya na ikaw na bahala, I trust you. Those are the most ideal
yeah, that's true.
producers because they understand kung ano yung they know that kami yung expert when it comes to staging. So they'll give us the freedom to do our jobs.
Yes.
Nagkaka-problem when the producer doesn't know what they're doing.
Tapos
And
may
then
idea
they
sila.
start calling the shots.
Example.
Si ano?
No, without naming names. without naming names. So, itong
Without
producer
naming
na to,
names.
ito yung gusto mong mangyari, ito yung sinasabi niya, hindi, ito yung
Okay, I
gusto mong
won't
mangyari.
name names, but at this producer was exiled already. Wala na siya sa bansa, so
Ganun kalala.
good riddance, no?
Exile ang
But
putya.
we had a show, festival din, music festival din.
Love festivals though. I love festivals.
Just
I'm honest about that one.
just FYI to everyone, to all the listeners, festivals are the hardest
Yeah.
type of events to mount, and I have so much respect to all the showrunners and directors who are able to mount these festivals without having any kind of problems. So much respect for these guys. I feel I'm not built for it because it is it's just he is kaya niya eh kasi nagagalit siya eh. Ako kasi hindi ako nagagalit.
Grabe na nagagalit ako.
Grabe na nagagalit. Ano ginagawa mo?
Kasi pag festival, pag festival, you have to be ready to fight with people eh. Yun yung mindset doon. Kasi magsisingitan sila, somebody will wanna play earlier, somebody will wanna play later.
So
Somebody,
nag-adjust yan.
Nangyayari pala yun?
yes.
On the day.
On the day.
Kahit na alam nila, eto yung flow natin, on the day, biglang...
Yeah.
Gusto na umuwi, pauna na daw.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's not to throw any artist under the bus. It's always been like that. Even when I was in Salamin as a performer, there were 1 or 2 festivals where we never got to play kasi may sumingit na big star, may kontrata. So for example, a few years ago, I think Ben and Ben had an issue about sumingit daw si Ben and Ben. And technically, it wasn't Ben and Ben's fault kasi nasa kontrata nila na they have to perform
At a certain time. Yeah.
But to everyone else, ay grabe tong Ben and Ben, sumingit sila.
Hindi na nakita yung kontrata eh.
Technically, Ben and Ben was not at fault there. But see, the Japanese, the Koreans, when they mount their shows, they have the economy to support it eh. Meaning they have the budgets to really prepare for something of that scale. Dito, not to put down any of the producers of the festivals, we just don't have the economics to be able to mount
What
it.
do you mean? Sorry.
We don't have it won't be financially beneficial for anyone if we pay what the Japanese are
Got it.
paying for their pre-production.
Got it.
You understand? Parang the Americans, everyone outside of the country actually.
Even Indians.
I'm sure even Indians.
God bless
because
you, pare. God bless you. Kailangan ko lang singit yung race ko dyan. Baka wala yung mga Bombay, pare.
But what I mean is they have the budgets that they have to mount a festival will allow them to not to house, but to accommodate all of these artists. Here, if you talk to any of these festival organizers, it's really difficult to be able to mount these shows because you have all these artists who have all these contracts who want to who it's not that they want to perform at this time. That was what we agreed on,
Yes.
diba? We agreed that we are gonna play at 10 o'clock, and in our contract, if we don't play at 10 o'clock,
We can leave.
we can leave.
Yeah.
So, syempre, if you're an organizer,
Okay.
Actually,
diba? If you're an organizer and nagkakalat na yung buong show mo,
We're running late one after
we're
another.
running late, what's the first thing you'll do? Sino yung pinakamaliit na bayad? We'll take them out.
that's true.
And unfortunately, I mean like that's the reality of it. Kasi nga, they're thinking now of yung binayad natin.
Yeah.
Diba? We're thinking now of how many
Bawasan.
people are here for this show.
Yeah.
For this
This performer.
artist.
Yeah.
Yeah. So and in the case of Ben and Ben, I don't want to put blame on the organizers. I don't want to put blame on Ben and Ben. I really was not Ben and Ben's fault. Kawawa talaga yung artist na nabangga. But it's really hard. It's really hard to mount these festivals here.
Hello everyone! Ako po si Baus Rufo, ang host ng podcast na Kaya Pa Ba? Ang pinakabagong talk show kung saan tinatanong namin kung kaya pa nga ba talaga? No, it's an interview show featuring my favorite content creators, celebrities, or just my favorite taga-benta ng turon. Who knows? Go listen to it now on Apple Podcast and Spotify.
Sometimes kasi it's not the director's fault kasi. It's more, sometimes producer magsasabi sa'yo, no, hindi, okay na yan, alisin nyo na sila. Alisin nyo, mas kailangan tong Ben and Ben or whoever.
That's
May
another
ganun yun
thing.
eh. That's
That's
another
another thing. So,
Diba?
ang
So, wala
daming
kang choice
nagagalit
eh.
sa amin.
Wala
Ang
kang
daming
choice.
nagagalit sa akin, especially when I work with artists like SB19 or Cup of Joe. Nothing against their producers, but a lot of the fans don't realize na we don't have last say.
Yeah.
I was gonna ask that. Sino ba talaga may call?
It's the producers.
producer.
The producers or the artist. Sometimes
Yeah.
the artist will say,
yes.
sometimes
Depends on who
I have an
it is.
idea.
Yeah.
I want to do this. If the artist says, no, I don't want to do that. That's it. Like I can't do anything about that.
Hindi
If
to si Rico, ha?
Ha? No.
Mamaya pa yun. Mamaya pa. Si Tin. Ay, puta.
No, but and then a producer, for example, we had a show, let's say about 2 years ago or a year ago, where we had to start the show an hour late.
Because of?
May delay.
Whatever, okay.
The producer had her reasons.
Okay.
Yung
And
trend niya siguro wala pa.
mga ganun. Producer had her reasons. I can't start the show unless the producer tells me that I can.
Yeah.
So producer may say.
Actually,
Producer may say.
Is it to
producer
say
may
that?
say first starting. Like, we cannot start pag hindi pa sila sabi. Kaya we always wait for the, pwede na ba?
Okay.
Yeah.
Green light sa kanya lagi.
yeah.
Okay.
Sila talaga yun.
But who do the people get mad at?
Kayo.
Me.
Kanya, Nini, sa kanya.
Everyone
Kasi siya yung nasa harap dun eh. So everyone's looking at parang,
Dude, that sucks.
Yeah, dude. Yeah.
Pwede rin natin itong gamitin as a way to tell people na hindi nila kasalanan kapag nalilate.
No, but I don't wanna, parang, I don't wanna kind of shift the blame and be like, tell people na, you should get mad at the producer, you should get mad at the technical director, you should get mad at the venue.
May
Sometimes the
reason.
venue,
the venue kasi sometimes may
sometimes the venue will tell
aircon
us
problems
not to
or
start.
whatever.
Yeah. But what I'm trying to say is, we've already accepted that it comes with the job. If you talk to someone like John Prats, for example, sanay na siya na if he's doing a show, biglang mamatay ang audio, man, everyone I saw it a couple of years ago where he was doing a show, namatay yung audio,
3 times.
everyone
Director.
was bashing John Prats.
Wow.
So I reached out to him. I was like, hey bro, you okay? And then, sanay na siya. Kasi that's what happens to us all the time. Like, if something happens in the show
Kayo.
na
Yung
out of
director lagi.
our jurisdiction, bro, my DMs are full of...
Hassle din eh. Kasi I'm sure that directors that aren't as big names as you guys, the fans don't know to message them.
Yes. So that's yun yung downside of having a name
Yes.
in our industry na you have the biggest target.
Correct.
We have the biggest targets on our backs. So if the artist makes a mistake, the artist says something, usually they don't get mad at the artist. They get
Kayo
mad at
pa
us.
rin, kayo
Kasi
pa rin.
parang protected sila eh. Parang idol ko yan eh. Ikaw may kasalanan nito. So, ayun.
But it's not always the producer. Going back to lang. It's
It's not always the producer.
Could be a bunch
It's not
of
always
things,
the producer.
yeah.
Sometimes the venue will tell us, you
Yeah.
cannot start. Sometimes the artist will tell us, you cannot
Or
start.
sometimes yung major sponsor wala pa. Yun lang kasi syempre major
Yan
sponsor.
nagbayad.
Yeah. So it's not always the producer.
It's always.
So there's so many nuances
Yeah.
when it comes to these events.
So many moving
But
parts kasi.
but
So
to
many
the
moving
people,
parts.
all I'm
Yeah.
saying is, but to the people,
It's always you.
F you, Paolo Valenciano.
Ikaw pa, worst experience like with
Okay, so worst experience.
client, event.
We had going back to the worst experience. It was a festival. We got hit by a storm. The stage was destroyed.
Shit, before on the day.
The 2 days before the show.
Okay.
And we were begging the producer to cancel it na. Kasi safety,
Of course, issue.
safety issue na siya. Pinush pa nilang ituloy. Kasi, ang tawag dito, laki ng ginastos. I understand it, I get it, but pinush nila, and we got a major backlash online because it was, the venue was filthy.
Muddy.
The stage was not complete. The artists were getting taken out of the lineup. Buti na lang there was someone more popular than me, way more popular than me in the production.
Okay.
So
Doon napunta yung-
doon napunta yung
I know this.
doon napunta yung galit ng tao, hindi sa akin.
Hindi sa inyo.
So mag-thank you sa kanya.
Bro,
Thank you for being famous.
friends na kami, bro. eh.
Oh.
Friends na kami ni bro. But ayun, that was I think yun yung isang event talaga na medyo it was right after Eraserheads. It was right after the Eraserheads concert. Like a few weeks after the Eraserheads concert. So sabi ko, I talked to my team, sabi ko, God is telling us something na, He lifts us up and then He grounds us and to keep us humble. Para,
I believe that.
diba?
No, diba? Lahat may season eh. Diba?
Yeah.
You're gonna have such a big ticket show that's, something will happen. It'll, even our careers, diba? Lahat may waves
Ebb
eh.
and flow.
Oh.
And the things that you learn from an
Yes.
experience like that.
Correct.
The
That's
things that you learn from an experience like that is really parang several shows after that one festival, improved so much kasi ang dami namin na experience na hindi namin na-anticipate na pwede mangyari pala. No? So, ayun.
What was the biggest chaotic thing that happened in a live event na you had to, syempre, hide from the public watching?
Did you ever, any of you ever get on
that you
stage
had
na
to cover
parang,
up?
sorry, sa nangyayari or no?
No.
Wala pa
Not that man.
Weird yun.
Hindi, kaya
yeah.
baka lang, baka may nangyari na ikaw mismo
Parang I know-
Did you get on the mic and say, I'm
Yeah.
sorry, whatever, or?
Parang not yet.
Not yet.
I think I made an artist do that once. Kasi at the end of the day, to be fair to the Pinoy audience, transparency really is something that they appreciate.
Yeah.
So if there is a technical problem and the artist tells them, nah,
Yep.
sorry, we have a problem, we'll have to fix this. I noticed them, they're very
Forgiving.
forgiving naman. But so far, I've not had to do that pa naman, to go up on stage to say
And
sorry.
apologize and
Yeah.
explain.
How important, I'm gonna start with Nico here, is your team? Ilan ang bear team mo, like the
core
skeleton team, core team, tsaka how important is your team to you?
Skeletal core team would probably be like 4 or 5 people,
Okay.
right? And they're very important. Why?
Why?
Because we know already how. Kasi as a director, hindi mo iniisip eh, di ba? So sila na yung extension mo, and in those small details, they will fix for you. So yung how we work together, it's
A
it's
well-oiled
like
machine.
Oh yeah, that's how it is. Even if kami ni Paolo, ganun din kami. Ganun kaming, like, yung team namin mainly, alam na, this is you, this is you, this is you, this is you. We collaborate before the show. Alam namin ganyan. But during the show, na maraming pwede mangyari. Let's say mawala yung comms namin. Paano ngayon? Diba? But the show must go on. No one should know na nagkakaproblema kami sa likod. So lahat
paano
yun.
nga? Kalapati? Bang hirap nun. Wala
It's really,
kayong comms.
it's really trust.
Hand signal.
Yeah. Talagang trust talaga siya. Na it will go. Because alam
Running
namin.
joke there is,
Yeah.
I always tell the team, pag may mga technical difficulties na ganun, I always tell them na, the best in the country kayo ha. Magkakaalaman na kung totoo yan o hindi.
Galing. Ang ganda nun.
Ganun siya.
Magaling kayo ha. Kayo ang best. Patunayan nyo ngayon.
Huwag tayo mag-usap. So
sige
ganun
nga.
talaga siya.
Gawin natin yung show, wala nag-uusap. Sige nga.
We've done that. We've had shows na nag-fail ang
Comms and everything,
and
yeah.
everything, yeah.
And kumbaga, like for us, it's always we're only as good as our team.
That's very nice.
It's a very very important to us. Kaya like a lot of people would say, and I think we were asked this during the master class na can anybody just join? Of course, yes, anybody can just join, but of course it depends on kasi yung level of how do you say this, yung the gravity or the ask of people from us is so high. Then if there's one there's a weaker link or a weakest link in that chain of command or something, magfi-fail siya eh. So we all have to be one whole team talaga who moves forward. So again, kami, we're only as good as our team. And we're lucky that we have a really, really good team.
Was it hard to form the team? Like how many years did it take before you have your team right now? Okay, ito na yung ano ko. These are my guys.
Years.
Years.
It's years.
Of
It's
palit-palit din.
Try
Try to. Pao, how important is the team? And
Exactly what
ilan
he said.
members ng core mo?
Same lang kami kasi more or less the same teams kami. But I think the biggest difference between me and Nico, si Nico as a director, I feel yung strength ng leadership niya is mas ano siya mas abrasive siya and mas
Bad
nagagalit siya. Bad cop talaga
When you
siya.
say galit,
Bad cup talaga.
what's the... Sige, nakita mo na ba ito na
yung
nagmura?
pinaka-wild?
Nanira na
I
equipment,
won't
nagbato ng
share it
tubig.
here, but
Di pare?
nagpapaiyak siya ng tao
Tao.
na hindi, kasi nga, the pressure is very high.
Of
So,
course. And
if
your
kung
names are on the
maglalax
line,
ka,
guys.
kung maglalax ka during a show, even the slightest, parang kung may mga miscalculations ka or you're reading the situation wrong, we can't afford that in the team especially when we're opening the doors in 30 minutes, diba? And that's where that's where you really see yung beast mode ni Nico. Me naman, I'm not like that at all. Which is why we work.
Dapat si Nico mo explain. Paano siya? Paano pag alam mo
I'm
na
too nice eh.
Hindi,
Pare
masyado-
pagpikon.
Very nice to. Pero pag napikon to, magmamic to.
Yeah,
Magmamic to, pero in a very nice way pa rin.
Like how? Like
How
how?
often does that happen?
Give
Yung
us an
napipikon si
example.
Direk Pao.
Paano ba?
Yung nag-mic.
It's such a nice way. Nasabi niya,
Nag-mic sa persa mo.
guys, just to
Ang
let you know,
characteristic.
we have 2 more hours left.
Alam mo, pikon na
And
siya
it's
nun.
not working, blah, 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 blah.
Yeah.
So I suggest you guys, blah, blah, blah. Ganun
Still a
lang.
very,
Very nice. guy.
nice delivery.
Sa akin, iba.
Iba.
Sabi,
Gets mo na yun.
ah,
Okay, galit na siya.
Huwag
kang bobo!
ano ba? Ganun.
I love it!
Ano ba? Tanga ba kayo? Ganun.
Yeah.
Ito na ako sa wag kang bobo eh. Wag kang bobo! Bukas ka na maging bobo, not today! Please lang!
So may ganun.
Oh my God.
Siyempre kasi again,
Ah.
and ito
Ah.
sometimes the producer would tell, like ito, sinabihan lang ako ng producer na, kasi may time na nagalit ako, and then sabi niya,
Nakita niya.
hindi, pinagsabihan ako na, uy, pumiyak si ganyan, blah, blah, blah.
Kasi nakita niya yung nangyari.
Narinig niya.
Narinig lang niya. Okay,
Narinig niya.
umabot lang. Oh.
And then, 2 weeks after, siyempre kasi same producer, hindi na ako nagagalit. Bigla lumapit siya, pwede magalit ka na? I'm like, kala ko ayaw niyo magalit.
Masyado kang kalma.
Oo, so, kalma ko daw, magalit na daw ako. So, okay na, pwede na. Okay.
Pwede pala.
Pwede pala. So, may mga ganong ano. And again, we only do that, nothing personal.
Of course.
It's because
Work is work.
we're working here. I mean, that's why you're here. You're expected to do your best. You said yes you're here. Diba?
And
Pero
everybody's expecting the best out
Yeah.
of the event
So,
or whatever. They
ganun.
paid a good amount of money for
Everybody,
a ticket,
yeah.
diba? Especially if it's a performer na sobrang mahal, siyempre magkano binayad din ng ticket
Yes.
dyan. Diba? Magagalit ka rin pag parang, puta, ito na yun. Diba?
The way I see it also kasi is if we had the foreign budgets to be able to work on these shows, we might be a little more lax in terms of the hours. And I guess you could say that we put more pressure on the team because we have to meet that standard with less time. So that's why kami ni Nico, we're a little, parang Nico style is yun, nagagalit siya sa kanila. Ako, I ask for a little extra.
yes.
But because I ask for a little extra, I try to kind of like manage the morale of the team kasi I'm asking them for more. And obviously, I understand the situation. I can't always be nice. So that's where sometimes I'll be like, okay, you're not delivering, Nico.
Okay.
Go.
So, may mga ganun kami.
Pare,
Ganun lang kami.
may bad cup kayo. Like, let's say, ikaw hindi ka
Bad
nagagalit.
cop,
Si
good
Nico
cop.
talaga ang bad
That's
cop.
how it is.
That's it. Yeah.
I love how the roles are very clearly defined. And everyone knows that you've teamed up on such iconic events together. But was there ever one event that parang pushed your partnership na parang
Pare, bad trip ako sa'yo.
Wala ba? Let me ano this one.
parang
Here's
wala
the thing with, I think a lot of people don't know about me and Paolo. Our dads grew up together. They're best friends.
nakita ko nga to eh.
Yeah.
Kinakapatid or
Yeah,
something.
we're god brothers. So that's one. So para kaming, it was a weird thing eh. When our parents found out that we were working together, parang they were so happy. And my dad and his dad would always call up each other and parang, bro, can you imagine these two? Laging ganun yung conversation nila. So we're family. Technically, we're family. And and your mom said this. When we posted something, I think a few years ago, ang sabi ni Tita Angeli, it was like 40 years of Valenciana Faustina partnership and more.
Love it.
So because our families are so intertwined.
His tito is my dad's
Musical director.
Mon Faustino.
Oh,
They're all,
yes.
yeah,
Right,
yeah,
right, right, okay.
yeah. So I think more than that also, it's because nga the roles are very clear. So he has his responsibilities and I have mine. And
Yeah.
it's
It's
very
clearly
rare that it's very
Magka-clash.
rare na nag-intersect siya. And even when it does intersect,
We talk about it
Yeah.
before we don't show anybody na ano. So we really
Yeah.
talk about it. We know, like I know if we're in a meeting and it's something about Paolo's side, I don't say anything.
yeah.
Parang ganun kami because we trust each other
Galing.
that
Yeah.
way.
I think the only people that I clash with are the ones who are... No, never mind. I won't say that.
No, I know one. I think we can get there na. I think yun yung intro mo. Ito yung intro mo.
So sometimes,
May isa pa dapat ako tanong, pero sige, nandiyan na tayo.
ito na tayo,
Nandiyan na
diba?
tayo.
sometimes directors and artists clash.
Yeah,
diba?
yeah,
Kasi
yeah.
magkaiba yung
And
yung
sometimes
kailangan yung i-deliver.
somebody writes something on Facebook to post it.
Pwede. Oo. So, was there ever a time that you as directors clashed with your artist?
Never! Tawag ako, hindi ko direct say, pare. Pare, ano nangyari?
Mga 9 a.m. ata tumawag
Dahil
na sa akin.
pare, ano nangyari, pare?
Chimichismis na.
Hindi, baka kasi busy pa siya. Tsaka tapos
In fairness to him, sige,
Go.
in fairness to him, before that happened, he called me up. Parang alam ko na kung ano nangyayari.
Is it during or after?
Okay, so
Okay,
this is what happens when I'm not with Nico. Wala si Nico nung show na yun.
Okay. Alam ko wala siya nun.
So, ganun yung tumawag siya sa akin during the show na. Sabi niya, bro, blah, 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 blah. Basta ganun. I was like, do you want me to go there? Parang ganun, di ba? Kasi the venue I can see from my condo. Kasi
Okay.
kitang-kita ko yung ilaw. Parang sabi ko, nag-enjoy sila. Nag-start na yung show. Ganda. Tapos bigla nag-message siya. I was like, do you want me to go there? Parang ganun.
Sino bad
Ano
cop
to?
mo
Was it
pag
a-
wala si Direk
Was
Nico?
it a message na
Wala
parang
kang bad
SOS?
cop.
Was it an SOS message na parang, pare may problema?
Or
No,
nilalabas
too late
niya
na.
lang?
When I
Too late
when I
na kasi
let
it was
you know,
starting. It was
there
started
na.
na. It was happening already.
Okay.
Let's stop being cryptic.
Okay.
Let's talk about it.
Okay, so there were major lapses from the side of the production. I don't know if his team would admit that there were also some lapses from their side, but ako personally, I believe that there were major miscommunications, and like Rico's my friend. Like I've known him for I think 22 years or 23 years.
Ay, hindi. Blanco. Okay.
22, para bata pa siya. Oy, Uncle Rix, pare! Gago, friend na yan si Rico. Remember, we're all
Okay,
friends, of course.
decades
Things,
of friendship.
things happen, pare. Things happen.
I've known him for about 23 years. So like he's a good friend of mine. He is like growing up. Siya talaga idol ko
Correct.
in
River
the
Maya,
It was very
Yeah.
cool.
everything.
Idol niya talaga.
and we've been working together. I've done yung show niya with Four of Spades, and there really is a difference in the way he basically yung dynamics lang the way he works
Okay.
and the way I work. So me kasi when I'm working on a show, I understand all the variables. Like everything I said kanina na in a festival nagkakagulo talaga sa
Daming
sequence.
factors.
Nagkaka-problems talaga with this manager is fighting with this manager. This manager is fighting with the client is fighting. Basta it's
And that was a festival. That was a
it
festival.
was a festival.
And syempre, like as an artist, correct me if I'm wrong, no? Papasok sila doon, wala silang pakialam sa ibang variables, di ba?
Yeah.
Ang pakialam nila, I perform.
Yes,
I get there, I
yes.
perform.
Yeah.
May nag-aaway dyan, puta na, wala akong pakialam sa inyo.
Yeah,
Basta
yeah,
ako,
yeah.
yung set ko, ito.
Yeah. So usually kasi when something goes off like that, syempre I'll talk to the artist, I'll talk to the producer, I'll talk to the suppliers. A lot of times suppliers are involved, and I'll tell them in order for this show to work, we need to meet each other halfway.
Is this while the show was going on?
This was happening while the show was going on.
And you yourself were talking to the people or
No,
the
they sent. It was parang slot na. It was about to be. He was about to go on stage
Okay.
na.
Nandun naman siya.
He was there, yeah.
Okay, standby na.
And then they told me na hindi daw siya akit ng stage kasi dapat yun nga last siya.
Okay.
Now, I completely understand that na Rico Blanco is last, Cup of Joe is second to the last. In fact, when we were having our meetings, sabi ko nga sa meetings na, okay, so Rico Blanco is second to the last. Sabi ko, sure kayo pumayag
That's
siya
what I
dyan?
wanted to ask. Hindi
Yeah.
ba napag-usapan to sa pre-pro?
Yeah, we were meeting about this and I kept bringing it up na,
Okay.
you sure ha? You sure?
Kung bakit sila nag-usap, si
Ha?
producer tsaka sila nag-usap.
Yeah.
Ito, prinisenta na lang sa'yo.
Yeah.
Naayos na.
Yes.
So you were just double-checking.
Yes.
Sorry, before you
Go.
Most of the time kasi, for music festivals, like us directors, we don't know the contract.
Okay,
Hindi
kasi
namin
iba rin
alam
yung trabaho
kung
nyo.
ano, diba? Hindi namin
And
alam
things
yung ganun.
changed
Yeah, and
after
then
that
things
show.
changed.
Now after that show, I'm like, I need to see
The
all the
lineup.
contracts.
Nice.
No.
Without the pressure. Without the
na.
pressure.
Wow,
This is really
really?
I need to see the
Kahit
contract.
tanggalin niyo yung presyo.
I need you to show me that the artist agreed to
Agreed.
this.
Ganda.
So that's what I'm
Learning
saying na you
experience.
you
Ganda.
learn from these things.
Okay, oh.
So the reason why I posted and people were saying dapat di ka na lang nag-post dapat you kept it
nga,
internal.
ang dami nagsabi nun.
The reason I posted that, and Rico, if you're watching this, I don't think he's watching this. I'm sorry, but the reason why I don't regret it and I do feel like it was the right decision was because there was a miscommunication between two people from their side and from our side, not the client side. JBL had nothing to do with this, and because of that, ang daming nagalit from the production side. Na they felt na we're disrespected kasi ito ang alam namin and then ganito yung ginawa ng team ni Rico. Now, I'm
Wait,
sure
sorry, before you tell the next part. Kasi team ni Rico and client talk.
I don't know what their conversations were like. I don't know what their
Basta sa'yo, ito yung
basta ang
latag.
alam ko,
Oh.
this is what I was told, this is the sequence I was told.
Sino nagbigay sa inyo yan? Si
The
client?
production. So there's a client, there's
Oh.
a production team,
Oh.
there's the artist side.
Okay.
So the production team told me na ganito ang lineup natin.
You follow that.
So I'll follow this.
Got it.
And then they'll tell me 30 minutes before his segment na hindi ganun yung sequence. Meanwhile, itong si Cup of Joe, alam din nila na iba ang sequence. That's why they weren't there. They were still on their way. And then it didn't help na I'm sure you heard about that gridlock on
Yes.
Marcos Highway
Yes,
when
that day.
everything just stopped.
Yes.
It was the same night. So, when I was running the show, I could already tell na people were getting upset because nothing was happening.
As an empty stage.
It was an empty stage for almost an hour.
Shit.
And the hosts were having a hard time.
Of course, yun yung sinasabi ko. As a host, may limit kasi.
Stretch.
1 hour ka magse-stretch?
No, may stretch na okay, pero may stretch as a host na mukha ka ng tanga.
Yeah,
Hindi ka naman gesture, hindi ka
So
naman
I had to pull out the host kasi ganun na siya.
Correct.
Ganun na siya.
mukha
Eh.
na
Ganun, they were having a hard time na.
Kawawa. Oh.
And syempre, Cup of Joe, are they're such a lovely group of
Correct.
people.
Oh.
Super.
And we've done all their concerts. And I just felt na I had to be the one to talk to them and to say na I'm so sorry, but there is a change in the sequence. And
Kahit na wala?
ha?
Kahit na wala?
Hindi, nung
Shit
nagka-issue
was
na.
hitting the fan already at this point.
And then, for example, we had fireworks na nakaprogram dun sa song ni
Cup of Joe.
Cup of Joe. So parang,
Paano
we
to?
can't move the fireworks to Rico's set because we don't know, like,
Hindi ko pwede mga dalawa muna iputok. tapos yung
yeah,
iba,
it's not.
putok
The
ang-
pre-program siya eh. So parang in that moment, I felt na I wanted to
you break
sort of
down?
like shift the focus from Cup of Joe because it wasn't their fault. Like I kind of wanted the public to know na this is not Cup of Joe's fault. Like them coming on late is not because of them. It's because there was something that happened between our production and Rico's team. That's what I wanted the public to know na whatever ang issue nyo in this event, wag kayong magalit sa JBL, wag kayong magalit sa Cup of Joe. Nagka-miscom dito
Somewhere.
between me and Rico Blanco.
Okay.
Now, when I said na I can't work with him, I've been very vocal about this to everyone I talk to. I tell them naman na I don't hate Rico. In fact, he's like I idolize this guy so much. I idolize this guy's skill so much. But yung style niya of working where, rockstar siya.
Of course.
And
He's
I
an
don't
icon.
mean that as an insult.
Yeah.
He deserves
Correct.
to be last. He deserves everything because of
worked for
everything
it.
that he's accomplished in his life. But the way I work, it's just I'm so collaborative. I need people to adjust to each other. And if some rock stars are just not like that, and that's what I meant. Maybe I should have said more, but I was scared. I didn't want to get sued. You know what I
of
mean?
course, of
I didn't want it to look like I was bashing him or anything.
Right.
But it's just there are just some artists. There are other artists also that I feel na hindi talaga hindi nagwo-work yung chemistry. There's no chemistry between them. And it's not that deep. That's basically what I meant with that post.
Parang hindi ka naman nagkulang though. Dun sa, yun nga, when you were asking, sure ba kayo? Napapayag siya na hindi siya yung last.
Yeah,
Looking back, how else could you have fixed that?
But that's something that we've learned. That's something that we could have learned from the foreigners years ago. because the foreigners, they don't make moves unless they check every
Everything.
single contract, even if it's not
You're
it's
not part
not
of it.
my
Yeah, tama.
scope of work, even if it's not my jurisdiction, it's not my responsibility to know their contracts. Now
Yeah, you need to.
I don't make a single move unless
Pakita muna.
I see.
Show me.
You show me what your agreement was.
Kasi every contract, talagang nakasulat doon na we can only play from 7 to 9. Or we won't play beyond 10.
Yeah.
Or we have to be on stage at 9:15. If
Hindi
not,
dahil matanda na si Rico na kailangan medyo maaga siya.
Hindi, hindi.
Joke lang, papi, ha? Gago, joke lang. Gagalit na naman si Tito Rix. Joke lang, pare. We're talking about it in a very
Yeah.
open forum. I mean, of course, he's a very, very good friend of mine.
Direk Nico, let's say if you were there as the bad cop, what would you have done?
ako kasi, well, the production team, they got us as show team, not the production team. So I would have talked to the production and I would have checked it with them kasi we found out that it was that nandun yung issue eh. So yeah, that one.
Sinabon niyo
and
ba after yung
No,
production?
I wanted to.
I told
And
him
you know
not to.
that.
I told him
I
not
wanted
to.
to.
Kasi
Diba?
at that point,
Kasi naging mukhang may kasalanan. Like you said, mukhang kayo. Mukhang ikaw may
Yeah,
kasalanan.
mukhang
yeah,
siya may
but we're
kasalanan
used to
eh.
it na eh. That's what
Yeah.
I'm saying.
Oh, pero this
You
is
know what
like
I mean?
something
That's so
big that
exhausting
you know.
naman.
We're used to that na. Parang it's just that ito was, I didn't
Blown-
expect it to explode
get
the way
crazy.
it was.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
he was really telling me na, you know, let's get legal na. Let's. But I was like, we all learned from this. There was something to learn. There was something to learn from this. And in fact, now that I'm taking extra steps of finding out
Correct.
what exactly the commitment of the artist is, now, you know, it's actually made it a smoother process. Kasi now the producers can't tell us na, oh, we want this artist to do this. I'm like, no.
Yeah.
You check your contract.
Pakita muna.
Pakita mo,
Na pumayag
tignan
yan.
mo muna siya.
Oo.
Tignan mo muna yung contract niyan kung papayag siya sa
Correct.
ganyan.
Oo.
So I feel like that improved the industry.
It was a learning experience.
Yeah, it was a learning experience.
Yeah.
For everyone.
I don't think there was any other way for me to actually learn that. And I would encourage directors, up and coming directors, young directors, kasi you get excited eh. You get excited when you start conceptualizing these festivals, these concerts. Gusto mo, the artist can do this, artist can do this. Wait, before you plan,
Ask.
you ask for
And
it.
black and white. Even better, black and white nyo.
Actually, ang problem kasi sa atin, syempre, you know, I think it's a culture
Yeah, yung
culture
Pinoy,
also
kahit
na
sige
parang,
na,
pag-usap, sige na,
pag-usap,
pag-usap na lang. And then, pero pag binalikan ka ng isang, ay hindi, wala yan
Sa kontrata,
ng boss
patay
niya.
ka.
Wala yan sa kontrata, pumayag, di ba? Yung kausap mo, hindi naman yung decision maker.
Yeah.
So, ang hirap, doon naging issue yun eh.
Jumping off from this, what is a toxic practice in the industry that people may not know about that you wish you could change today, tomorrow? Alam mo yan?
Ikaw muna. Ako,
Baka itigil na natin to.
ako,
Sana.
day itself setup.
The what?
Day itself setup, show day.
Same thing, yeah.
Yeah, that's that. Kasi,
It
wala
makes
kasi
it very,
lahat ng tao pag nag-set up and then mag-show diretso. So most likely, they're either tired, they're not functioning well.
So this usually happens pag nagtitipid.
Yes.
Siyempre,
Yes.
pag doble mo yung 2 days yung bayad sa tao.
Bayad sa,
kaysa yung isa.
bayad sa tao, gamit, venue.
Same answer.
Same. Actually, mine is more on. It's actually more or less the same, but more on ano siya, parang expectations. To manage producer and artist expectations. Kasi a lot of times, ganito lang yung willing nilang ilabas na pera, pero gusto nila ganito. Expectation nila is ganito gusto namin, pero yung budget is ganito lang. And that puts a strain on the stage team. That puts a strain on the creative team. Kasi we're working harder eh.
Pigang-piga.
Pigang-piga ka talaga. And then, safety becomes an issue. Kasi, na-rush lahat. You know what I mean? So, yun yung mga, I feel we need to kind of improve on.
on.
And actually, during during pandemic and right after the pandemic, napaka-efficient ng mga
Oo,
production
nagawa
teams.
I have
nga
to
eh.
say so
Oo
also.
nga eh.
I have to
Kasi
say,
nga,
may difference.
people knew how to plan that time.
Yeah.
And then when people got more lax na
Relax
and,
na naman.
Bumalik na
ayun
ulit
na,
sa dati.
Back to normal.
Back to normal.
I actually I understand that yung tinitipid lahat, no. I remember Tin, no. I was at the wedding and she was hosting. Kasi kalahati lang binayad sa kanya. Nakaupo lang siya ba nag-host? hindi na gago. May video ako,
Talaga?
Oh, pare.
Excuse me,
sabi
hindi
niya,
ka
tapos
nagpabayad?
sinabi niya sa mic, pare. Sabi
Kaya ako nakaupo.
sabi ko, but hindi ka akit sa stage. Sabi niya, kalahati lang bayad sa akin dito. Sabi ko,
Love you, Miguel
tangina na.
Lau.
Sabi ko,
Wow.
ganun pala yun. Kalahati, upo lang ako. Pero mag-host ako, pero
Hoy,
nakaupo lang.
First of all, hindi ako binayaran doon. Love yun for the love. Ikaw ang
Yeah.
nagsabi nun.
Okay.
Okay.
Before we wrap this up, grabe, so many insights, great.
Super.
Oh, great. Ito na lang, last question. Kamusta ang bayad? Is it financially good? Is it rewarding? I'm looking at Direct Nico and
I
his
know, I was just
Xenia,
about to say.
and his white sweatshirt and his Land Rover Defender
Whoa, whoa, whoa,
downstairs.
whoa.
I'm like, damn, man, damn. Whoa. Please explain before I complain, brother.
Wow.
Good. Is it good money? That's what we want to know about it.
Is it
good
good money?
money, director? Oh.
I would say yes. It's good money.
Okay.
But it comes with all these stress and all these ups and downs on emotionally, physically also. But if we're talking about money, yeah, it is.
How
It
many
is.
years till you say na, okay, I'm comfortable na ulit. Okay na to. Medyo, kasi I'm sure nung una, malit bayad. Diba? How many years were you, hustling, doing your thing before you were able to get to a talent fee na, okay, I'm happy. I'm already happy with
Matagal.
this.
I would say more than probably like 8 years.
Kasi no shortcuts yung mga ganyan.
Yeah, because there's a
You
lot
put
of
in the work.
Build your name.
Yeah.
Build your name.
Must be
Follow
nice.
Si
Smile.
Pao,
Wasn't ready
eto,
for
si
this
Pao,
question.
si Pao ako takot. Alam niyo kung bakit?
I thought about mas mahal to.
Para yun
Mas
nga.
mahal to sa akin, iba to.
Ito, yun, alam ko, mas kay Pao kayo matakot. Kasi nga, sabi nga nila, mas matakot ka sa naka-white t-shirt tsaka Innova eh. Kasi hindi mo alam kung nasa garahe niya. Diba? Si Pao lagi naka-black lang to. Yung black
Naka-Vespa.
yung black samba niya, yung black pants niya, black shirt,
guys.
tsaka yung Vespa niya. Pero sabi ko, parang imposibleng. Malamang may something, may mga offshore banking na nangyayari dito.
The money. Okay, this is medyo a different angle, different perspective. No, the money is good, but it's not always worth it.
Oh shit, I
The
like that.
trade-off.
I like the last part. Because
Sometimes the noise of everything from the public, from the lalo na yung the time with Rico. Although the thing with Rico may have been the loudest one, but it wasn't. It's always like that where people are always just telling you
they're ready to make batikos your work.
everything. Every show actually,
Every
every
show,
show,
actually.
it's people just telling me that we're doing the wrong thing. We could have done this better. We could have done this better. It gets to you a lot. Na parang, how can I simplify my life so I don't need to hear all this noise all the time? So ayun, parang
It comes to the job, man.
it comes with the job,
But
but
also you love it.
sometimes lang naman na it gets parang
much.
it's so noisy. Yeah.
When you said we love it, yeah, we do love it. Actually, that's the thing. We're lucky enough to do what we love and yet earn from it, right? So we love what we do.
Amen.
That's the most important thing. So it's not always about the money.
And just because you love what you do, I think to wrap this up, just because you love what you do, it doesn't mean it's easy.
Yeah, it's not.
You can do what you love.
Yeah.
You can still get a burnout from doing what you love. You can still have a hard time doing what you love, but you love what you do. But yun lang yung dinudugtong ko dyan eh. Do what you love. You're not gonna work a day in your life. Yes, do what you love, but
That's not true, bro. I mean,
exactly. How pare? Sabihin ko, I can say that yes, but doing what you love does not always mean it's also easy.
No, it's not.
Yeah, that's so
It's-
true.
in fact, it's like marriage.
Ito na, pare. Baka
like,
nagbukas ka ng bagong can of worms, bro!
Naten si Sam.
Kinabahan tuloy nung
Can of worms
kaibigan
have been
natin.
opened!
Parang marriage is a good example, 'di ba? Parang it's because you love the person
Yeah.
that it gets hard. Kasi you want it to work eh.
Yeah.
'Di ba? So parang someone said this about me and Nico before na the reason why you and Nico work so well together is because Nico doesn't care and you care too much. Meaning, nag-aano kami. Kasi there are times talaga where when you're running the show, kailangan bitawan mo na. Parang let that go na, focus on this. Hindi ako ganun
Hindi
eh.
ka ganun.
So,
Ako ganun
so
ako.
minsan nagkakalat na lahat. I'm like, yeah, but that thing. And he's like, no, move on, let's go. So,
Parang asawa ko to, no? Teka lang, let's move on na. Tapos na yun!
So it's like a marriage. You love it so much
I love
that you work so hard to make it work. Parang ganon.
Beautifully said. Beautifully said.
Yeah, that's very nice.
Gentlemen, Directs, mga idol namin kayo. Maraming salamat
Thank
for
you.
making
Thank
time
you for
for us on
having
the pod. We had a blast.
Saya. I know you have a gigantic show coming up, so good luck with that.
Tell us about it
you.
before we...
Yeah.
Para tayo nag-plug ah. Para tayo nag-plug.
Grabe yung buntong hininga.
SB19.
Yeah.
SB19.
Do we need to say
Well,
more?
Simula is happening next week. So, when is this coming out?
Yeah.
Probably next week.
Next week. Oh, so
next
probably
week, yeah.
a few days.
No, Monday and then not this Monday after.
So
After na.
So
After na. That was yesterday.
SB19
Hope you watched it.
was
Yesterday.
just 3 days ago.
Yeah, mga ganon. Tama.
We have
Hope you
sex-
guys enjoyed.
We have Sex Bomb. We have Sex Bomb coming up.
Sex
And then we have Cup of
Bomb.
Joe also coming up next month. So,
A lot of things.
yeah.
Oh, we have
Booked and blessed.
we have
Gotta
Shanna
love it.
Spyro also.
Oh,
What's
yeah.
he saying? Shanna Spyro, yeah.
Yeah.
Shanna Spyro.
There we go. Gentlemen, thank you so much. May pinapanood
Thank
kayong show. You don't know what's happening behind the scenes.
Sila
Ikaw
pala
pala
yun.
yun. Sila pala yun, Pao and Nico Faustino. Guys, thank you guys so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.